Good morning students. Today we will start chapter number 13 of class 10, that is surface area and volume. Today we will discuss only the basic concept, that's formulas of this chapter. In this chapter, first of all, we have a cylinder. We know the shape of cylinder is like this. This is the shape of cylinder. This is the cylinder. It's called radius and this is called diameter of cylinder. This is the height, this is radius, this is radius. First of all, we find the curved surface area of cylinder, which is equal to, in short form we write this is as CSA, curved surface area, which is equals to 2 pi r h, and second one is total surface area, which is equals to 2 pi r h plus area of this upper base and lower base, that's pi r square plus pi r square equals to 2 pi r square. This is h plus r. And the third formula is volume of cylinder, which is pi r square h. We take area as centimeter square or meter square and volume as centimeter cube or meter cube. The second one is cone. The shape of cone is like this. This is the shape of a cone. This is cone, in which r is the radius, h is the height and l is the slant height. First of all, we find the curved surface area of cone, which is equals to pi r l. In this, l is equal to square root of r square plus h square. After this, the total surface area, which is equals to pi r l, that's curved surface area, and area of this base, which is pi r square. We take pi r as common. This is l plus r. After this, volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h. In all these formulas, we take pi is equal to 22/7 or 3.14 as given in the question. After this, we have sphere. As we know, the shape of sphere is like this. This is not a circle, this is a sphere. Difference between circle and sphere is that a circle has empty inside, but a sphere has mass as well as volume. So first we write the surface area of sphere. Surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. After this, volume of sphere, which is 4/3 pi r cube. After this, we have hemisphere, that is half of sphere. This is the half of sphere. This is the radius and whole is diameter. So it's first we write curved surface area CSA, which is equal to 2 pi r square. Then after this, volume, which is 2/3 pi r cube, and this is the total surface area, which is 3 pi r square. These are the formulas of some of the physical quantities. The next one is frustum of cone. First we know about frustum of cone. Frustum of cone is like a drinking glass, a bucket. For example, we have a cone like this. This is the cone. If we cut this cone from here, then we get a frustum of cone. This is called frustum of cone. This is the radius of closed side, we take as R2. This is the radius of open side, we take it as R1. This is called height of frustum. Frustum is like a bucket which is open from the upper end, and the radius of upper end is R1. In this, R1 is the radius of upper end, and R2 is the radius of closed end. In this, R1 is always greater than R2. First we find volume of this frustum of cone. Volume is 1 by 3 pi h R1 square plus R1 R2 whole square. After this, curved surface area of frustum of cone, which is pi L R1 plus R2. In this, L is the slant height, which is h square plus R1 minus R2 whole square. After this, total surface area, which is pi L R1 plus R2 plus area of upper end plus area of lower end. But area of material used is equal to pi L R1 plus R2 plus pi R2 whole square, because in this frustum the upper face is open, so there is no material which is used to make the upper face of the frustum of cone. After this, we have cuboid. First we cube is like this. This is the cube has 3 edges which always are equal. That's edge of cube is A. So its volume of cube is A cube. After this, surface area of cube is 6A square. Then cuboid, volume of cuboid is L into B into H, and surface area is twice of LB plus BH plus HL. These are the formulas which are used in this chapter. Remember all these formulas, and in the next video we start chapter number 13. Thank you.